Okay, I am pretty sure I have a bird that built a nest on my back porch because there are some birds. I hope they don't dive bomb me. I'm not going to get that close because I didn't even see these birds until today, and it's been rainy, but they have been round and round my back porch. It's so weird because we had bees there the other day. And this is iris. Clay hates these iris. He doesn't like the looks of them at all. Let's see if we see the birds. I don't want them to dive bomb me, but there is a nest up there somewhere. I see somebody built a nest somewhere around here. They've been hanging on the wires, hanging around. So now I don't see the birds. Well, anyway, it's June 2nd, 2016. And I think I have a bird nest back here. I thought a bird would come out diving me, but I don't even see them now. Looking for the nest. I missed all the junk. Well, so much for the bird nest. Clay should be home soon. I'm cooking spaghetti. Oh, that. Birds. How weird is that? Well, if I make my round, they may see me. Up there. Oh, there's a bird over there. There. Are you the bird? They look different. I don't know. That looks like a woodpecker. I love watching birds. I think that is a woodpecker up there. We have lots of birdies. See that bird? I don't know, think of that looks like a woodpecker. Sure is. I wonder if I had. That's strange. So anyway, there were birds all over in the back porch, and two birds looked like they had a nest, and now I don't see them. Thought they were gonna dive bomb me, so I didn't want to get too close, and now I don't even see them. And I was gonna have Clay look for a nest. So definitely have to clean the back porch off. Oh, it feels so good outside right now. But guess I will walk to the front, look for my husband. I'm doing laundry and dishes. Busy day. Well, that's really weird. Maybe they were looking for a spot to build a nest. But anyway. Feels great out here today, though. So, guys, another false alarm, like the bee false alarm. Clay had a video that he was going to put up, and we had a little trouble putting up videos lately. The internet had trouble in our area, and there's different things that have gone on here. The internet was out for a couple, I should say like half a day, which is a lot for us here. But, but I'm happy to see these guys are out. I want to move these guys. Lots of flowers and gardening, things to move around. Strawberries are doing great. Hostas are doing great. Poppies. I'm not going to walk over to the bees, but because some of the beekeepers said that the bees can be not as nice on bad weather days, and I don't know, it's overcast. I don't know how they're going to be, so I don't want to get stung when my husband's not around. I don't care if I do. I'm not worried about it. I just don't want to just hang out there for the fun of it. And these are the flowers growing in the front of the house. Seeds are coming up. These were the 2-cent flowers I got at Dollar General. Trucks coming down. Maybe he'll be for us. Nope, he didn't. Okay, my peas. So I was going to make salad with spaghetti, but I think I'm going to skip the salad. Don't want to make too much food. Then if we get hungry, maybe we'll eat something like that later. Okay, I'm going in. No birds. I'll let you know if there's a bird's nest out there. Got two messy porches, front and back. See you guys in the next video. God bless. Have a wonderful day. And it is only 70 degrees today, which I'm so thankful for. Finally get some work done. When it's cooler, you can get a lot more done. Alright guys, take care.